Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone tutorial, and here I'll detail how to search location in Google Maps. So if you want to search for a particular location on your Google Maps, or you want to search your home address on Google Maps, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you don't know this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do, when you want to search for your location or any location in Google Maps, is go ahead and open the Google Maps application. So just search for maps on your phone and click on Google Maps. Now, once you selected Google Maps, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see the interface, and then you're going to see information about your nearby location, all of this. Now, to search for locations on Google Maps, all you just need to click on search here, and you see these suggestions. You can set home location, work location. If you click on more here, then you can set your trusted place, want to go places, and then the rest of them. However, to search for a particular location in Google Maps, all you just need to do is come back to Explore, click on it, and then search here. Then let's say I want to search for this location. Just type the location on the maps. Then you should see some suggestions related to your search term. Here you can see I have different suggestions related to Abuja Rail. Then go ahead and click on the rail location you want to search for. Then once you tap on it, just hang on. Then instantly, you're going to see the location pops on the maps. And if that is wrong, repeat the search again. Then from the suggestion as well, click on it on the maps. Then you're going to see this on the maps like this. Then if you click on any of the stations, you're going to see the direction here. Or if you click on any of the addresses on the maps, then you should see what that says direction, start, and then save or hard label. You can even share the location or download offline maps for this particular location on Google Maps. Then once you can find that, if you want to initiate your direction straight away, just go ahead and click on direction, click on start. Then once you click on start, then you're going to see this on the map. Then the Google Map will direct you on how to find your location to where you're going to. Or better still, maybe you want to find the nearest gas station on the maps. Just come here and search for gas station. So just search for gas station. Then the Google Maps will use your current location to search for gas station nearest to you. Then you see that. Then on the maps as well, then you should see the gas station on the maps. Then go ahead and click on any of the gas station where you want to fix it. Then click on start, and then the Google Maps will take you exactly to the exact location on the map. So that is basically how to search location in Google Maps. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.